BM English Speaking Radio channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 47 of season 3. Today's word is spectacular. The meaning of spectacular is beautiful, amazing, eye-catching, glorious, grand, and extravagant. With BM English Speaking Radio channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word spectacular. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Spectacular is spelled as S-P-E-C-T-A-C-U-L-A-R. Haven't you noticed the spectacular means amazing performance of Indian athletes of late? Well, it is because the awareness among the people has increased and the coaching facilities too have improved. The results are seen by all of us, isn't it? Listen carefully how we can use the word spectacular in 8 different situations, in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. We all face challenges and hurdles in our daily life, and it can be quite stressful. But have you been to a beach at dawn? Dawn means very early in the morning. Well, the spectacular view of the rising sun will refresh your mind and energize you. Example number 2 of 8. As a batsman, Sachin Tendulkar is a delight to watch. He plays a spectacular range of shots. Example number 3 of 8. Mr. Nair was worried about the falling sales of his car dealership business. So he announced an attractive gift voucher for every purchaser. And guess what? The sales figures made a spectacular recovery. Moving on to the next example. Example number 4 of 8. The spectacular view of the Taj Mahal on a full moon night is worth viewing. No wonder it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Have you ever visited Taj Mahal? If you haven't, then it's high time. Learn to speak English fluently and confidently from any part of the world from our certified expert trainers. To know more about our online English speaking courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The spectacular artwork made by Julia was appreciated by one and all, especially since everyone knew that she suffered from learning disability. Oh wow! Isn't this inspiring? Example number 6 of 8. Last month, the German car maker launched a new sports car. Oh boy, the features of the car are spectacular. No wonder there is a waiting period of 3 months for this car. Moving on to example number 7 of 8. The last Olympics began with a spectacular array of fireworks. The whole sky was lit up brightly and viewers were mesmerized. Are you ready for the next example? Example number 8 of 8. The increasing tension among several countries slowed down global economy for a brief period. But the global leaders came together and ensured a spectacular boom or sharp increase in the global economy. Naturally, the stock markets responded to this positively. Today we learnt the word spectacular, which means beautiful, amazing, eye-catching and glorious, grand and extravagant. Can you frame 3 sentences with spectacular and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 47 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.